As Tom was just explaining to me, this bike is so old that the left handle, you turn back and forth to advance and retard timing. So you kind of got to get good at that while you're riding it to keep it happy, which I thought was kind of neat. Tom knows what he's doing, so he does a pretty good job. Nice. That thing sounds good. Oh, his hat came off. A little too much speed there. But he looks so much happier with the wind in his hair. I guess he'll go one more time to go pick that up. You lost something.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it.
He looks happy on that thing. And so could you! Can you tell I'm not a salesman? Where did you put it? Oh, there it is. Well, that's been the Harley FLE-F 50th anniversary bike that we have. It is a 1954 Harley-Davidson, and we're currently asking $29,995, which for a piece of history that runs and rides as good as this does, not bad at all. Very nice, Tom. Was that fun?